Now, this is a step-by-step guide on how to extract data from a website, then load it onto Excel, then start using it. This is a very simple step-by-step guide, guys. So we're just going to do it very, very fast. First, you need to get that particular link which you want to use to extract that data from that website. For my case, I had requested Grok to generate for me this particular link. This is what I had requested, to include the links that leads to where I can get the data to practice VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP Excel functions. Now this is the very first URL which it gave me. So what I do first, I come here and copy the whole URL. After I have copied the whole URL, I'm coming back to where I have my Excel. Then at the top you can see a number of tabs. I'm going to come to where we have the data tab, because it is the data that I want to extract from that website and load it on Excel. Now under the data tab, the very first group here, we have get and transform data group. Here we have a number of options. If you click on the drop down arrow for the very first option, you can see you are able to get this data from very many places, from files, from databases, from Azure, from online services, from other sources, from combined queries. You can even launch Power Query Editor, data source settings. You can do a lot of things. But now, for this case, I specifically want to extract this data from the website. So I'm going to go with the second option from the top. This is the second option, from web. I'm going to click on from web option. Then just wait for it to respond. Then you can see we have a small window. We have the basic. Then you have where I can paste my URL. Ensure that you have pasted the URL in the correct manner. Then click OK. Yes. Then you can see the navigator. It is trying to get data from that particular data source. Then you can see here, this is where our data is going to be displayed. We have either to be displayed in a table view form or in a web view form. Let's say we want it to be displayed in a web view form so that you can see what we are going to get. Then I'm just going to click. This is the data I want. It is data name 3.2. It is the office supply sales data. So that is what I want. Yes. That is what we have. Then I'm going to come to home. When I come to home, I have a number of options. The first option is close and load. I can just close this data and load it anywhere, or load it to a specific place. I just want to load it because I already have a specific place, that is the Excel, where I want to load it. Yes. You can see it is that data is being fetched externally. Then you can see I already have my data. It is already displayed in a tabular form. I want to remove the table design. I'm just going to click under the table design, then click on where I do not have any table. Then I'm going to convert this data to range. I just want to remove the table. Yes, I want to remove the table. Then I have my data back into the range. Yes. Now I want to do some quick formatting. I want to start with the very first row. I want to convert that first row into headers. Come to where we have the number format. We have the alignment, font. I want to start with the font. I want to increase that font to 14. Then I'm coming to fill. I want to give it something like that. Then I'm going to click OK. You can see everything has been changed. Then the last thing I want to do is to do number formatting for these numerical values. You can see some numbers have decimal points, some of them do not. So I want to remove all the decimal points. So after selecting the whole part that contain the numerical values, I'm going to come to where we have the number format. Then I'm just going to decrease the decimal points to 0. So 1, 2. They have been decreased to 0. I may decide that I want to increase their font as well. That one has been done. Then I can come back to date. Again, I want to format that date. I do not want that date to appear like that. I just want a very short, good looking date. So this one looks okay. So you already have the data which you can actually use to start practicing data analysis.